Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. A trinocular digital microscope is an advanced optical instrument designed to provide high-quality imaging and enhanced versatility for various applications in research, education, and industrial settings. Unlike traditional microscopes with a single eyepiece, trinocular microscopes feature 3 optical tubes, 2 for viewing through eyepieces and 1 dedicated to a digital camera. This configuration allows users to observe specimens in real time while capturing high-resolution images and videos for analysis or documentation. Trinocular digital microscopes are particularly beneficial in fields such as biology, materials science, and electronics, where precise details are crucial. They typically come equipped with advanced features such as adjustable magnification, built-in LED illumination, and digital imaging capabilities that enhance the user experience. With the ability to connect to computers and software for image processing, these microscopes have revolutionized the way researchers and educators visualize and share their findings. In this guide, we will explore the top 5 trinocular digital microscopes, highlighting their features, benefits, and ideal use cases. Number 5. Elikliv EDM11S Digital Microscope. The Elikliv EDM11S Digital Microscope stands out as a high-performance, portable, and user-friendly microscope, perfect for both professionals and hobbyists. With its magnification range of 1500x to 3000x, the EDM11S offers impressive detail and clarity, making it ideal for tasks like soldering, electronics repair, biology, and even industrial inspections. The Elikliv EDM11S digital microscope is a fantastic tool for anyone who requires precision and detail in their work or hobbies. Its combination of portability, high magnification, and digital capabilities makes it versatile for many applications, from electronics to biological research. It's well constructed and designed for convenience, making it an excellent choice for those in need of a reliable digital microscope. Number 4. Andonstar AD209 Digital Microscope. The Andonstar AD209 digital microscope offers a robust set of features designed for precision work such as soldering, electronics repair, and detailed inspections. With its high-definition display and solid build, it caters well to hobbyists, educators, and professionals alike. The Andonstar AD209 digital microscope is an excellent choice for users who need a high-definition, standalone digital microscope for detailed visual work. Its large screen, solid build, and ease of use make it a standout for technical tasks like soldering and small object inspections, while its lack of PC support may not be ideal for more advanced integration needs. Number 3. Andonstar AD246SM Plus Digital Microscope. The Andonstar AD246SM Plus digital microscope is a high-performance trinocular video microscope that is ideal for professionals, hobbyists, and educators looking for a powerful, versatile tool for detailed imaging. Its standout features include a magnification range between 1500x to 3000x, making it suitable for intricate tasks such as electronics repair, biological research, and detailed inspections of materials. The Andonstar AD246SM Plus digital microscope is an excellent choice for users who require detailed imaging for professional tasks, such as electronics repair, biological study, and materials analysis. Its combination of high magnification, excellent build quality, and versatile video and photo capabilities make it a top contender in its category. If you're looking for a reliable and powerful digital microscope, this model is worth considering. Number 2. Andonstar AD246SM Digital Microscope. The Andonstar AD246SM digital microscope offers an impressive set of features tailored for professionals in electronics, biology, and educational settings. It stands out with its high magnification range of 1500x to 3000x, allowing for intricate detail observation, which is especially beneficial in tasks like circuit board inspection and high-precision scientific work. The Andonstar AD246SM digital microscope is a fantastic choice for professionals needing high magnification and digital recording capabilities. Its high-definition sensor, large display, and durable build make it an excellent tool for scientific, industrial, and educational applications. The only minor drawbacks are the limited storage capacity and the absence of an included memory card, but overall, it provides outstanding value for its features. Number 1. Andonstar AD249SM Digital Microscope. The Andonstar AD249SM Digital Microscope is an impressive piece of equipment, designed to cater to both hobbyists and professionals in various fields like electronics, biology, and material science. With a sleek black metal construction and robust features, it promises durability and versatility. The Andonstar AD249SM digital microscope is a powerful and versatile tool that delivers excellent performance for a variety of applications. Its combination of high magnification, superb imaging quality, and user-friendly features make it a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about microscopy. Whether you're a professional or a passionate hobbyist, this microscope is sure to meet and exceed your expectations. Thanks for watching this video.